because the ball joint of the shoulder itself is not very stable. It's designed for mobility. What is supposed to hold that joint together are all the muscles surrounding it. And those muscles are actually best employed in a functional way, not just static, strengthening the arms by themselves, but working the arms with the torso, the core, and the lower body, because that's what is needed to maneuver in life. And so those are the kinds of things, reaching, pulling, that we will be practicing and working with today. I think this is one of the reasons why sometimes isolating like the band work with the upper body and just moving the shoulders doesn't actually stabilize the shoulder joint as the ball joint as effectively as some of the things that we'll be doing today. And so some of you that have shoulder issues and have found it difficult to do band work in a PT sort of isolated style might actually find some of the stuff today feels better and is more effective. I put this here, team up to transmit force. We've got these big muscles, the pecs on the front and the lats on the side and also the back. The lats are huge. And the rotator cuff muscles that surround the scapula and